playbooks that crushed it in 2025 are already stale. If you want to win in 2026, you got to start building for where attention and intent are going. The first shift is answer-first content. AI assistants are the new front door to discovery, and brands that optimize for direct, structured answers will capture intent even in zero-click journeys. The second shift is first-party and zero-party data. Cookies are fading, and the edge will come from consent-based value exchanges and personalization that feels helpful, not creepy. The third shift is AI-native creative. So small teams will ship 10 times the volume while staying on brand using templates, governance, style guides, and asset libraries, so quality scales with speed. The fourth shift is real-time lifecycle orchestration. Journeys will adapt based on behavior, timing, and context, and your stack should make it easy to test, learn, and scale what works across segments quickly. The fifth shift is the convergence of search and social into answer-rich, shoppable micromedia where shorts, carousels, and interactive stories all reinforce your topic hubs. The sixth shift is ruthless revenue reporting. Vanity metrics will give way to contribution to pipeline, and your dashboards need to tell a clean story the board actually trusts. In the next 90 days, make sure you audit your top topics for answer readiness, templatize 2 journeys you can scale across regions or segments, and launch 1 value exchange offer to enrich your first-party data. And make sure you align your content KPIs to pipeline impact. Don't just catch up, build ahead. Make sure you subscribe for weekly strategies. Happy HubSpotting.